Hi, this is Porrick here from Payroll Project Management. Today I want to bring you through the process of work-related flat rate expenses. A step-by-step process for completing work-related flat rate expenses. Let's get started with our step-by-step.
Sign in to your My Account on Revenue. Enter your PPS number, date of birth and password and tick the box to indicate you're not a robot. If this screen comes up, you can enhance your security if you wish. I skip this step, but the choice is yours. You may get a message about the last time you logged in, like this one. Where we need to go is review your tax 2018 to 2021. Two items appear when this page opens. The one we need to go into is Statement of Liability Request. You can of course have a look at your employment details summary if you wish, and then return to request your Statement of Liability. When you request a Statement of Liability for the first time for the year in question, you get a preliminary end of your statement indicating whether, based on the figures revenue have, whether your income tax and USC is balanced or whether you have underpaid, as we see in this case for Mary, or whether you have overpaid, in which case you would be due a refund. The next step is to complete your income tax return. And click OK. You will find that any boxes that revenue have already details on are pre-populated. If you have been living in Ireland for the past few years, just tick the boxes resident and domiciled. If you are in any doubt, click the little information icon to the left of ordinarily resident or domiciled for more details. Like the message says, if there are bank details, be sure that the bank details are yours, and if not, change them, because any refunds due will be paid into this account. Your employment details will show up next. You can check the detail against your final payslip of the year from your employer or pension provider. You can add any additional income you have in the sections provided. We are not dealing with any additional non-PAYE income in this video. Some screens may appear different depending on whether you are using a desktop, a laptop, tablet or mobile, and also based on personal circumstances. Your current non-PAYE income that revenue are aware of will be shown. Click Next when you are satisfied that your non-pay income is correct. Here is the section where I said I would be touching on. These are areas that may affect a large proportion of this audience. Flat rate expenses come under the button Your Job. The section we want to look at today is flat rate expenses. These are all the categories PAYE workers can come under. In order to claim the flat rate expenses for your job, first you must locate your job under one of these categories and then click the Add button. We at Payroll Matters in Ireland and by Payroll Project Management believe that 2022 will be the last year employees can avail of this flat rate work-related expense. So it is important for everyone to claim for it now, and also claim for the years 2018 to 2021. I have a few screens later in this video to show you how much expenses relate to each job from 2018 to 2022. These screens may also help you to locate your job. You will probably have noted that there are also a few subcategories attached to some jobs. For example, male, female, provide uniform, launder uniform, etc. You must click on the Add button for each category and subcategory and job for it to be assigned to your revenue account. You can edit these figures if you feel you may have made an error. When you are satisfied all is OK, hit Next. Check the box to confirm the declaration and hit Next. Congratulations, job done. Keep an eye out for my next video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to follow or like the group Payroll Matters in Ireland to keep up to date with all things payroll. If you are on Facebook, Twitter or LinkedIn. See you next time.